It's very cold and misty this morning. Leigh and I have woken up and you can see all the steam coming off the river a little bit. Just got the kettle boiling. I'll make some breakfast and then start packing up the awning and get ready to go so I can try and beat some of that traffic. Well, Leigh and I are off. We're going to start hitting the road and find some cool things to look at. It's a nice little stop here. Might come back next time and get the drone up and fly it through this old valley area and all that, but for now we've got to get going. Leigh and I just hopped on Deans Gap Road, which is the road that winds through Yowell, past all the power lines, and then we popped off that onto this little road that takes us off this lookout. It's a lovely little lookout too. So Leigh and I are about to head off from this spot. There's still heaps of cloud over through the valley, but we got places to be. And being as it's the last day of the long weekend, I think I'd rather beat the traffic along the highways. So yeah, that's it for this spot. And we'll get off to the next spot, which is a waterfall, a couple of creek crossings and stuff. Lovely. Leigh and I have just parked up the car. We've just dropped on the Hellhole Trail, is what it's called, and we're walking down this little track to this waterfall. I was here last weekend, had a swim. I don't know if I'll have a swim this weekend, just because it's a bit of a hard little trek to get down there with Leia. So might just go have a look and then let Leia swim around in the top of the creek. But yeah. As you can see, nice waterfall, big swimming area down here. Lovely little spot. Pretty much the end of the trip for me and Leia. I would love to see if that gate was open for Sandy Creek Fire Trail. It's a really nice drive. You cross through the creek about 4 times. Nice scenery and all that, but I think there's a creek crossing still down this way. But that's pretty much it. Once I get through that creek, I'm back on the highway and I'll be lasting home. Hope you enjoyed.